Acid, Bases and Salts, Chapter 5, Class 7, Part 6. Children, in this video, we will discuss about neutralization in everyday life. The first point is treatment of indigestion. Indigestions may be caused by too much hydrochloric acid in the stomach. When excess hydrochloric acid is secreted in the stomach, antacids such as milk of magnesia, or we can say magnesium hydroxide, and baking soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate, these are used to neutralize the excess acid, thus relieving the symptoms of indigestion. Treatment of wastewater. Effluents released from factories often contain acidic substances and can damage the nature of soil and water, thereby affecting living organisms. Slackline or calcium hydroxide. This is often used to neutralize the acidic substances in the effluent. Treatment of soil. Soil that is too basic or too alkaline is not good for growing crops. Using excessive fertilizers can make soil turn acidic. Acidic soil can be neutralized using slacklime or quicklime, which is a base which neutralizes the acid. If the soil is too basic, organic matter is added to it. Acid release during the decay of organic matter get added to the soil and in this way neutralize the excess of basic substances. So acidic or basic soil both can be treated to make it neutral for the growth of crops or plants. Treatment of ant bites. The bite of an ant injects formic acid into the skin, and this formic acid can be painful and cause the affected area to turn itchy, red, and inflamed. The acid is neutralized by rubbing moist baking soda, that is sodium bicarbonate, or calamine solution containing zinc carbonate, or even toothpaste on the area. Means by rubbing any basic substances we can neutralize the effect of the acid and in this way get relief from the ant bites.